Hello my fellow student, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is a unique YouTube channel. As you can see, we share verified scholarship opportunities, story about guidance and step-by-step application tutorials to help you succeed. So if you are new here, if you are first time here, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video and turn on notification bell so you don't miss any important update once we share. You can even join our WhatsApp channel. As you can see, we share the scholarship information, requirement and eligibility criteria. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing about how to apply for Kazakhstan Government Scholarship. This is a scholarship sponsored by the Ministry of Science and Higher Education of the Republic of Kazakhstan. It's designed to support international students who want to study in Kazakhstan. So this is the official website. I will share the link in the video description. Once you are here, by default the language of the website is Russia, is Kazakh, so you can change it based on your preferred language, either Kazakh, Russia or English, anyone. So this scholarship is for undergraduate, masters and PhD applicant, and it is available to students from different countries. All countries are eligible to the scholarship. Now let's talk about the scholarship offer. Also, the scholarship coverage include full tuition fee cover, a monthly allowance to support living expenses. This makes it fully funded opportunity, meaning you can study without worrying about major costs. So once you are here, as you can see, the deadline for this scholarship is 31st May, meaning you have May 2026. So this is the offer of the scholarship. You can feel free to check all the information. So to apply for this scholarship, just click on this following link. It will show you here. As I said, by default, almost the language is in Kazakhstan. So you can just click on this English so that it will show you English. Click on register so that you can provide all your information. So here my first name, here write your phone number, write your email address, create a password, and come back to this place where to upload your required documents. So the list of required documents include your passport, your education transcript, letter of recommendation in English, Kazakh or Russian, your medical certifications, application form. So the application form is here. You can click on this link to download it. This is the form, as you can see. So I will fill out the information, my surname, citizenship, your international passport number, issue date, date of birth, expiry date, everything, address and everything. So you should download the form, fill out the information, then come back to the portal and fill it and upload the application form. So international certification of language, which means the language proficiency, English proficiency, IELTS certificate or third Duolingo, any kind of English proficiency is not required. Just need to provide medium of instructions later. Then write a motivation letter, then justification of a topic. This is for those who want to apply for doctorate, for PhD applicant. Come back to the portal, write the email address and password, then click on enter. So as you can see, here I am now in the portal, and confirm your information, confirm all the information you had, and click on save change. So now what you are going to do next is that create an application. So come back to this my application and create an application. So then click on next, and here required level of education. You want to apply for master's degree, then language do you want to study. I said that English, you can study in Kazakh, Russian, English and find any language. So many countries are eligible for the scholarship. Your current CGPA, write it, then select university among the Kazakhstan's universities. Let me choose this one. I will say select, then say select, then educational program. What type of program? Digital teaching of biology, education, training and foreign language. These are the available programs offered in this university. So I wanted to apply for medical courses like biomedical engineering, or let me choose another university. Then IT University, University, let me choose this one. Also, these are the available programs. So feel free to choose the university among and choose your program related to your course of your study. Let me choose this one. Foreign language. There are many universities as you can see. So feel free. I wanted to apply for either by technology or by engineering or oil and gas engineering. So now I am able to find the course I wanted to apply, which is biotechnology. You can see that is general and apply biotechnology. So I will select the course. Then interview language, you said that English. What your level in Kazakhstan, I don't have any level on that. Russia, so English, I will say that max complete. Then I will say create application. After completing, I will say create application. Let me for the portal. I did not write my CGPA, so my CGPA is 3.97. 3.97. Then I will say create application. So here my application is submitted. As you can see, application was successfully. So this is how to successfully submit your application to the Kazakhstan Government Scholarship. The process is very simple, as you can see, and I hope you will find this guidance very helpful. So if this channel adding value to you, please don't forget to subscribe for more scholarship update and tip. I will see you in the next video.